Hello friends, this is your friend BRG. So in this video we will going to set up our repository from where we will build the website. Okay, this is the initial setup you need to do. So first to go to this repo Gyan Guru Jekyll based template, and you need to clone this repository. Let's clone this. Okay, and once you do that, go inside it. You can see the files here. Let's try to open this inside our favorite editor. So for this video I'm using Visual Studio Code editor. You can see. Okay, so you can see that there are more folders than the previous default setup. It has includes layout, SAS, assets. So in our previous video on Jekyll installation and introduction, we have seen about the includes folder, right? Here there are few more script, you can see that. Okay, so one is footer, one is header. This is a very nice footer. Head, okay, the head, as the HTML head says, it should store title and few meta links and links to CSS and few other stuff. Okay, the layout is where it defines the layout of the website. You can see that this is the default structure of the HTML. So basically this is the main file, and whole HTML file has been you can say the divided into one is head.html, the another is header.html, and this is the main content. Now I'm going to explain a bit about this content. So this content is like a magical line. What it does is, during the Jekyll compilation, this content will be loaded automatically, okay, with the content of the specific file. When I say specific file, let's say this example of index.md. So it has layout as home, so it means that use the layout home. Now let's go to home, and it says layout as default. Right now default is this, right? Now it doesn't have that layout as something else. This is the final, it's a cascading effect, right? So this content, what happened during the bundle exec Jekyll serve, or during the bundle Jekyll build, the Jekyll will populate or replace this content with this home file, this home, right? Okay, now this home has this content, right? Now this home content will be replaced by this index file. Okay, do you want to see the demo? Let's check it. So I am added after some time. Okay, so let's do the bundle exec Jekyll serve, and my file has been, I need to open it in localhost 4000, and boom, you can see this, right? Now if you see, this has been added before post. Now let me change the order, which is this, right? Now let me just drag a bit this line, then you will understand what I am saying. Now let me add it after the post, that is end if. Now what will happen now, this line will be displayed after RSS. See this. Okay, so you should know about what this content will do. This is the explanation. Okay, very easy explanation, and then you will know where you are adding and what stuff you are adding. Okay, and rest of the thing is like pretty same. Footer, include this footer file. Okay, I hope you got to know that what this include will do. Okay, so this is very standard settings, and um, these are the links which are coming from header. Okay, because I have included that header in the default here, right? So header will give the page path. So these are all, you know, variables which I have created. So site is a global variable. It stores few parameters, or you can say data like this header pages. Okay, which you can get the whole list here. Okay, these are the site variables. You can see the whole list here. Okay. And this is basically a magic path that extract the path and their URL from the site pages. So yeah, and this is the JavaScript. It's the same stuff, like write the script file, JavaScript file, and you can see the path, and this relative URL is added, like it gives the full path, localhost 4000/asset and all those things. And yeah, this is the asset, you can say. Okay, custom.js, and in the header or head, you can say I have added the main CSS. Okay, this is the main CSS, and it has imported minima, okay, which is a default site. Okay, you can see this, it has whole imported the minima. Okay, and yeah, so this is all about the initial setup.